Hello world, here's PT, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily tuber update for Bitcoin. Today we have October the 6th and we have a lot of things to watch. Bitcoin is going up really nice, so is it now the moment to stay in? Should we stay out? Should we buy? Should we sell? We will check this now together in this video. So guys, let's go! And we are starting with this. This is CoinMarketCap, and you can see Bitcoin is going up really nice, 5% in the plus, but look at 7 days, 24% in the plus for Bitcoin. This is really nice. We have a nice green chart picture. Ethereum is going up only with 0.27%, and in the week only with 17.9%, so not so nice as Bitcoin. It's better to trade Bitcoin for the moment. Binance Coin is going down a little bit, 2.7%, 15% in the plus in the week, and 8 is going down also a little bit, 2.5%, and a little plus in the week, 2.11%. So, okay, let's check this. The dominance is growing for Bitcoin. Yesterday, 43%, today, 44%. So Bitcoin is growing with the dominance. Guys, let's check the next thing. What coin is the biggest winner now in 24 hours? And this is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is growing 57% in 24 hours. In 7 days, 208%. That's extreme, guys. I'm not a fan of Shiba Inu, but I have some coins just for fun. It was, once again, a tweet from Elon Musk. And this pumped again Shiba Inu. It's amazing, but okay, it's another story. The next thing, let's check it. The second coin with the second place with the growing coin in 24 hours is 11% is Sia coin, and the next one is not so important. The biggest loser in 24 hours is OMG Networks. Place number 2 is RAN, and DRYDX is going down with 10.3%. And let's check what coin is the biggest winner in 7 days. It's Shiba Inu. Yes, of course, 208%. It's extreme, guys. Axie Infinity is going up with 68%. And yes, so on and so on. It's not so important, but the biggest winner is for now with 208%. Shiba Inu. That's really amazing, guys. Okay. Let's check the next thing, guys. One thing I will check is Axie Infinity, because there is a nice game out there. We can earn money with gaming on PC. We can earn Axie Infinity. I will check this in the next video, maybe what's going on with this. The biggest loser in 7 days is DYDX, going down 17%. eCash is going down with 15%, and so on and so on. It's not so important for the moment. So let's check the next thing. This is TradingView, and we have here the daily, and on the daily we should strong buy. On the 4 hour we should strong buy Bitcoin. On the 2 hour we should strong buy Bitcoin, and on the 1 hour also we should strong buy Bitcoin. Okay, everything is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. So this is the 4 hour time frame, and you can see it here. Today we had the golden cross. Yippee-yay! It is here now, the golden cross. For about 4 hours, or yes, 5 hours, we saw the golden cross here. We had here the death cross. Now we have the golden cross. The green line is now over the red line. And this is the next bullish sign for Bitcoin. Now on the daily we have a golden cross, and on the 4 hour we also have a golden cross. This is really bullish for Bitcoin for the moment. And we saw here this little triangle on the downside. And you know it, guys, if you draw a line from the upside to the downside, we have the technical target. And the first technical target for breaking out was a perfect hit, 48,000, exactly as predicted, guys. But now we have a bigger target to watch. Watch this, guys. On the 4 hour I can show you this big target from the upside, from the highest point to the downside. And look at this, guys. We can make a line from this point, from the downside to the upside. This is a really big target triangle, and we broke it to the upside. And guys, now we have the next technical, big technical target for Bitcoin. Look at this. If we are drawing this from the upside to the downside, and if we take it now to the point of the breakout, you can see it. This is the next technical target. Look at this. 60,172 US dollar is the next technical target for Bitcoin. We are on a nice way to this, so I think it's really possible to see this price in October, maybe in the next few days or next weeks. But I think it's possible to see this in October. It's a really bullish sign for Bitcoin that we have now this golden cross. We are over the ribbon band, we are over the EMA, we are over everything. So this is, guys, is really bullish. But, and there's always a but. If you are watching my videos, guys, you know it, there's always a but, and we have to watch this. First of all, this is our nice uptrend from the downside to the upside, and you can see it here. The next bullish thing is we have the middle line. We are now over the middle line. We saw the cross of the middle line. This is now a support, and now this is really nice for us. We are here over the middle line. We saw a short wick to the downside, but this wick to the downside is always a bullish sign, guys. Big wicks to the downside are always a bullish sign. So let me show you. This is now the bad thing. We need this resistance. We need to fight against this resistance. It's a fat red resistance. Why it is? Because we had here the highest high, and now you can see where is the next big point to watch for Bitcoin, and you can see it's on 53,000. So we need to fight 53,000 because this is one of the biggest resistances now for the moment that we will see a move on here and more leg to the upside. And now, guys, let me show you one thing before we end this video. I know 5 minutes are over, but it's important. This here was our big downtrend. And with these candles here, we broke out of this big downtrend. Look at this, guys. We broke out here. We retested perfectly here this downtrend. And after the retest, we saw a nice spike to the upside. So this is bullish now, guys. This is really bullish. And we need to fight 53,000. I'm still in a long position. I closed a little position here yesterday, but I'm still in a long position for Bitcoin. One thing that makes me a little bit bearish, and this is on the short time frame, a thing, guys, look at this. Here, this rising wedge here, you can see this is a bearish sign. Most times we see a rising wedge, we will break out to the downside. And if this will work out to the downside, we have to see maybe 47,000 something about this, or 48,000 something about this, maybe 46,500. Okay, it's possible. But for the moment, we are in this pattern and we need to stay in this pattern. This is really important now for the next hours. Maybe we're going down a little bit, then up, then the big fight with 53,000, and then maybe we can break out or down back to the middle line. Retest the middle line. It's also possible 50,000, 50,200. And then the next leg to the upside. But I'm still bullish here for Bitcoin. Everything is looking fine for Bitcoin. And we need to watch these targets. We need to watch support. We need to watch the resistance. This is very important now, guys. Okay, that's it. 7 minutes are over. Sorry, no 5 minutes. It's a 7-minute video. But guys, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Thank you very much for your nice support. Thank you very much for your nice comments, guys. Please leave a thumbs up if you like it. And if you don't like it, please tell me why. It would help me to make more videos. Every day a new video from your BT, and please visit my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours 7 days a week on YouTube and on Twitch. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.